Most everybody knows Phantom CNC makes some great CNC routers, now lasers, and some other equipment. But did you know that Phantom actually has a full line of solid carbide end mills? And I'm using a 1/2-inch compression bit here today to cut some pockets into a tabletop for Joe at Three Waves Woodworking. And you can see the chips are flying. This bit's doing a great job, super clean in this really soft SPF construction lumber. Very competitive pricing and fast shipping. So go check them out at phantomcncsystems.com and see if there's anything that can help you with. This tabletop is going to be for Joe to do epoxy pours on. Being 5 inches thick, it's going to be very rigid. Nice solid base to clamp onto. And coming in at 309 pounds, probably not going to move around very much.